Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy Friday. I was sent this Q Fun laminator, or by Q Fun. It is SL888 laminator. Let me just show you what's inside. So I took the packaging off things, but it comes with a little paper cutter. And then it also comes with a spare blade for the cutter, a mini hole puncher, it's kind of cute, a corner rounder, and then it comes with some rings, which you could use those for, you know, storing cards that you make and punching. And then of course the user manual, and then it comes with a pack of laminating paper with different sizes. Let's see. I love laminating things for my journals. Here's some examples. Here I just put some sequins in there and then laminated it. And here's just a piece of collage fodder that I made a bookmark with. You can do all sorts of stuff. You could save photos for your journals, secure it with laminating. I love laminating stuff. I'll put the link of this product in the description, so if you'd like to check it out. So yeah, I'm gonna warm it up. I can't plug it in from where I'm at right now, but it does have different modes. It looks like it has, you can do cold laminating, 3 mil, 5 mil. So hot, I think it means, I haven't really read the manual yet. But then what I really love is on the back side, this is an anti-jam button, so if it starts to get jammed, you can use that. I have 2 laminators already here that are jammed, and I cannot get it unjammed. I have to take them completely apart. So I'm gonna warm this up and try it out. Okay, so while I'm waiting for it to heat up, I got some collage fodder out, and I was gonna get some stuff ready to put through the machine. I forgot to record, so what I did is I just took a piece of doodled fodder there. Let's see. Let me actually cut this down first. See how small I want to make it. Let's see. Give myself some more space here. Yeah, the laminator is great for making bookmarks. I mean, you can really, when I have a working laminator, I laminate everything. I have so much fun with one. You could save your kids' artwork and put it in your journal. Definitely do photos. I don't have any photos handy right now to do, but in the future I will. I don't think I cut that very straight. I think that was a user error. I'm getting too close to the edge here, so I'm gonna try out that corner rounder too. I can always use a corner rounder. Let's see. Okay, so it's like very subtle, which I like. Hope I'm putting it in there enough. Yeah, I am. Okay. All right, so, and then I grabbed a couple of my painted hearts. So I'm gonna put that through the machine, and then I grabbed some twine. I'm gonna punch them and make little dangles for the journal. They'll probably go in my collage packs that I'm mailing out to you guys when you purchase an order. One thing I wanted to try, I just think they're so cute. I don't know why. Not try, but I was gonna put maybe make a bookmark with some leaves. I like doing it on book page background. You could obviously do any background, but book page looks awesome. And I just use these old encyclopedia things. All right, this is ready. And then this one, Hopefully it fits in here. Let's see. Oh my God. I think it's gonna be just perfect. Oh yes, it is. That is perfect. These are gonna fall out. I'll readjust them in a sec. All right, let's see here. These are small. I might be able to do 2 on one small sheet. Let's see. I think I'm gonna cut this top off. I think that's perfect. Now do I want, I'll cut a little more off. All right, let's see. Oh, just perfect, okay. Now I'm just guessing on how much to cut off here. Hopefully I don't cut too much off. Oh, it's pretty perfect. Maybe I'll round this one. Rounding sometimes beforehand. Should probably round after because you have to cut around the laminating stuff after, and anyways, I know what I'm trying to say. Okay, let's see. I hate to waste paper or laminating stuff, so nope, I can't fit 2 in here. All right, that's okay. All right, let me see if my machine is warm and, oops, this needs something. Let's see, I guess I gotta cut this. Oh no, I better not do that. I don't have enough to fill this up. Suppose what I could do, I know what I'll do. I'll just put more collage fodder in here. So I back up when I get orders. Put this one over here. Of course, I'm gonna have to adjust it because I have to walk somewhere, but yeah, but let's see. So this I ripped, so this might be a good thing to actually laminate. I might put this through the machine. It might save it. Let's see. Get it in there. Let's see. I don't know if I'm gonna have enough room. That's gonna be tight. Nope, not for that one. Either way, I gotta readjust. I think I've got this one going pretty good. User error. Quickly, here's the one I just pulled out. That's the one I crinkled because I did it one-handed. But I used the D-Jam button and it came right out, so. All right, here's those hearts, and I got just one more to put through. I had a little bit of a user error. Very hard to difficult to film one-handed, so the machine is fine. I am not. Let's see. I think I'm gonna cut this by hand. But they turned out great. This one's curled just because my user error, but yeah. I already explained that. So these will go, some of these will go in the fodder collage journal packs, you guys. I sold out of the 6 I posted, but if you're interested in one, send me an email, trashytreasures@gmail.com, and I can make some more. doesn't want to get in there because I got too much on the corner there. There we go. Okay, so what I was gonna do for this one, this cute little punch. See if I'm in the middle. Kind of hoping I am. All right, close enough. And just use a little twine. Make a cute little, I don't know, bookmark tag, whatever. Could use any, let's see here. There we go. You know, just a little jangle to hang in the journal. And then for the hearts, I probably need to cut these out off camera, but you can kind of guess what I'm gonna do. I'll show you in a sec. And then I was gonna do this. Let's see here. And then just use some of this. I kind of cut that a little high, but that's okay. I made the hole high. It's junk journal, so who cares? It's the point. I just think it's cute. All right, I'll cut this and be back. All right, so those numbers on the front of the laminating machine, they're different heat settings, so I don't know if I said that, but anyways, I was playing with it before I turned it on, or after I turned it on. So you can go 3 or 5. I ended up turning it on 5, and you can do what's called cold laminating. I didn't really look all into it, but you can. I think it's more for like photos possibly, but all the description of the laminator will be on Amazon. I've been wanting to use my laminator lately, but like I said, it's jammed. This one I'll just have to cut out off camera, but definitely fun. Definitely a nice little change of stuff to put in a journal. It's really fun using confetti like this. Might be hard to see on camera, but I don't know, I just love it. I've also done where I put like, you can do like spray. You gotta be real careful, but you can do spray. Let's see if it'll reach. Might not reach. It's not gonna reach. Okay, so this one I didn't give myself much room to put a hole, so just barely. So that was kind of fun, guys. So yeah, if you want to check out the one that I got, I've had several laminators. I've never had them come with accessories, so that was kind of fun. A cutter and punch and corner. So thank you, Q Fun Company, for sending me those. And all right, guys, we'll see you later. Thanks for watching. Bye.